So the vast majority of crochet patterns require a foundation row or a chain stitch, which is what I'm going to show you today. So first of all, we get our yarn and we wrap it around our 2 fingers like so. We're now going to insert our hook under the very first loop. Take the bottom loop and we're going to pull that through. At this point, we can let go and we can pull up. Now, once we've done that and we've tightened it securely, we can then take this yarn, hold this yarn with one finger out of the way, and we are going to wrap our yarn round, and now we are going to pull through. Show you one more time. Yarn over, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through, and we just keep repeating this. Yarn over, pull through, 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 and we just keep doing that until we get the desired length of the chain that we need. And it really is that simple. I'll start from the beginning and just show you one last time. So we wrap our thread around 2 fingers, our hook, pull through the underneath hook. We can now tighten, and then we can then yarn over, pull through our first loop, then we yarn over again, pull through our second loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and then we can just keep repeatedly doing this until we form a chain the desired length that we need. So I hope that explains how to do this, and I hope that you master it. Good luck. Let me know in the comments.